Did Sally knock that in?
No, I didn't.
Performance power. It is still a fairly decent car for the money, and some 2,000 miles can be found for around $15,000. Dodge Challenger. We're on those Field, and in 2007-liter that produced on $8,000 on average, and even pick up an SRT8 for around $20,000, which is about the average going price. Chevrolet Camaro. Another retro car, the Chevy Camaro is a car that looks like it would cost a lot of money due to that amazing retro style that brings along some of the legendary muscle car charms. In 2010, Chevrolet rolled out the 5th generation car, and it had everyone's attention. Some made it seem like this was the cool new car to have, and the styling of the two-door coupe with the giant-sized rims and two-tone paint job with black stripes looked not only fast, but many were left thinking that the car was really expensive. Not only this, but it's a Camaro, and these
Beautiful. Beautiful. That's a beautiful swirl.
recognize this car as an
Okay.
that is, if you happen to see the popular yellow that can be found just about anywhere. You can pick up
Oh, okay. So, I'm going to just flatten it out. And I'm going to do this. That almost fell off the table.
are you doing?
Putting random stuff inside of slime.
Why? Your hair's disgusting. Take a shower.
I don't care. I've been in the pool. This is basically paper on here. So it's quite harder to get off. But it comes off. And didn't even leave a mark. Let's try doing that. Just get that resting out. There. My last piece I need to take off. And I'm all done putting that crayon in. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So I'm going to take this slime, mold it. There we go. Let's find another thing. Sorry. Oopsies. Okay. Let's see if we can find another thing. Okay, I found just the thing. Oops. Probably have to guide them. This hair clip, see? Show you. Comes out. Okay. And play with it. Ooh, I found it. There we go. Paper clip this hair thing. Wow. And that is